Hey everybody, Haggard Wilderness in the house, and doing a winter camp here. It's pretty interesting weather. We got really wet, sloppy snow because it's been really warm, but then we have cold wind coming at us, and I don't know if you can see, but a snowstorm kind of all around us, but not currently snowing right now. It's supposed to snow 2 to 5 inches tonight in the mountains. In fact, it'll probably be raining down in town, but we're just gonna do a short little overnighter. We got regular winter tents, cross-country skis, probably set up camp and do a little ski in the afternoon, evening time. But first things first, we got to get in there. So I'll get back with you here in a little bit once we get closer to where we're going to end up camping. Okay, we're off trail now. And the snow has definitely been warm because we're punching down, but not too bad actually. Pulling through this little meadow here. Once we get into the trees, might be time to take the skis off and go the other short amount of distance. Okay, we made it to the camp spot just about, but it's time to ditch the snowshoe or the skis and put the snowshoes on, because it's ridiculous with the skis. We're sinking super deep in here. All right, we made it to our final destination here. Oh, my snowshoes keep falling off these boots. We brought the full bushcraft experience. We got the battery powered chainsaw, so there ain't no slumming on this trip. This is full luxury trip up here. Okay, we got all set up here. It started to snow just in time. I better close my freaking door here, but yeah, set up some chairs, probably collect some firewood, and then we'll go from there. We're definitely going to do a ski, but not sure when and what we'll do before, what we'll do after. But camp's set up, so that's important, at least that. So stay tuned.
Lots snow.
Dude, that's how much work that would have been with a handsaw, bro. All right, guys, we're doing a different bushcraft method here for starting a fire. We're gonna use the sawdust that came out of the cutting process. We collected a bunch of it in this little green pouch. We're gonna see how a spark from a ferro rod does on a pile of sawdust, and then we got kindling that will hopefully catch after that. So
It's lit. Oh, secret recipe right here.
What is that? Some like
Magnesium.
mag shavings?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Twigs, twigs, twigs. Okay, well, we tried the sawdust thing. Didn't work that great. I think we had wet sticks. And then it started to dump on us. So, used a little magnesium magic. And now we're rocking and rolling here. All right, we're gonna collect some more firewood here. Get a big pile going before we go on a ski. That way we're just nice and set up for the night. A lot of this stuff, this little stuff, we'll be able to just throw on the fire and it'll do good. Like too easy, bro.
Now we'll just lean it over this stump and I'll cut the logs.
All right, folks, we got a good fire going.
Oh,
Cut a bunch of firewood with the electric chainsaw. That literally saved so much time. We got wood over there, wood over there. That would have took us hours to process by hand, so Melvin was thinking with the Electro. And then we got this big old tin foil full of potatoes, onion, peppers, all sorts of good stuff. Needs a little more time, but we'll have a nice snack before we go on a ski trip. And then we'll take a ski at least down the river and beyond. Then we'll come back and cook legit dinner and have some drinks. It'll be awesome. All right, folks, we're checking the food here. Pre-ski snack. It's snowing pretty hard, so I'm gonna put away the big camera. We'll probably rock the GoPro on the ski trip. That smells so good, dude. That burst of flavor. But we're gonna eat these veggies and sausages, go for a ski, and then come back. I'll get with you, or I'll get with you with the GoPro on the trail. All right, folks, it's officially nuking up here. We're in the eye of the storm now. We built the fire up really big. Probably go on a little ski, see what happens. Pack a beer and a backpack. I'll let you know how it goes. All right, boys and girls, we are back at camp. It's a pretty crazy ski, and you can see the tents are loaded with snow. Melvin's getting the fire going back. Had to do some recovery stuff there. So it's good we called it short. We might set up a tarp shelter maybe, but if not, we'll at least keep this fire going real good. So anyway, catch you soon. All right, folks, it's still dumping on us, but we need more firewood, so we got to get something substantial. Dude, both of those, that one right there and the one to your left. One more. There we go. Dude, this was a night ender, dude. These bottom pieces.
we'll just cut these ones big.
Cool. Dude, that's it, bro. All right, folks, we got a good burner going. Big old pile of firewood. The electric chainsaw is absolutely the way to go. We're soaked and cold, and man, if we had a handsaw, we'd be in a lot less better shape, that's for sure. Look at the tent. The tent is covered in snow. Camera's covered in snow. So yeah, this is it, boys and girls. Winter camping. All right, folks, it's still puking snow. Trying to put the ribeyes on now. I got Baffids on now, so my feet are warm. But this is a little bit of a tricky situation with the way the fire's going. All right, still puking. I'm gonna flip my steak. Melvin's finishing his up. Oh, we're trying not to post hole around the campfire without snowshoes on.
Taters.
Dude, there's so much heat down there. I got my steak right here. Look at that. Perfectly cooked. Oh, so good. Gonna eat this up. We got potatoes, a couple more beers, and then we're probably about done here. It's definitely snowed a lot. But going to bed. Alright guys, got the Christmas lights up in the tent. It's pretty warm. It's probably, well, warm. It's probably about 20 degrees, I would say, give or take. Snowing on and off, but it's been a very good night. Really tired. It's early. It's like 9:30, and yeah, we're going to bed. We had a good night, so catch you in the morning. Good night. Well, good morning, everybody. Just making some coffee in the tent here. As you can see. Ooh, that looks good. Ugh. As you can see by the vestibule door, it definitely snowed. But it was good. Good night's sleep. It stayed really warm, that's for sure. There's a lot of condensation inside my tent now, but try to get it aired out. And yeah, I'm gonna drink some coffee, start slowly putting stuff away, and get going. I apologize for not filming so much last night. It's just was snowing so hard that the camera was just getting soaked, and so I was only able to get the camera out for a minute at a time and just kind of update you and then put it away because it was snowing so hard. And it was really wet, heavy snow, and this camera takes some good abuse, but I didn't want to risk it. So anyway, I'm going to drink this coffee up and yeah, update you here shortly. folks, we are all packed up, ready to go. It was a pretty easy pack up, and gonna snowshoe out of here. I'm not putting the ski boots on, so we'll just snowshoe out, not far to the truck. But yeah, it was a good camp. We stayed warm. It dumped snow on us. We had a cool ski across the river. Yeah, slept good, ate good. Everything was good. So I appreciate you joining us, and then we'll be catching you on the next one.